Hello, everyone. Kung Pao Chicken is a classic Sichuan dish commonly found in restaurants. It also has a high click-through rate. Many friends enjoy eating it. With its bright color, spicy, sweet, and sour flavors, it appeals to both young and old. It's perfect as a side dish with drinks or rice. The recipe is simple and down to earth. You will definitely be able to learn it. Your family will praise you as a great cook. Those who like it can give it a try. First, prepare about half a pound of chicken breast. It's best to freeze it slightly in the freezer. This makes it easier to slice. Then use a flat knife to cut the chicken breast into thick slices. Usually, 2 slices are enough. If it's thicker, it's best to slice it into 3 pieces. After slicing, cut them into evenly sized strips. Then arrange them neatly. Cut them into uniform cubes. Cut them slightly smaller. This size is perfect. It will marinate well and cook quickly. It will be tender when stir-fried. After cutting everything, put them in a large bowl first. Soak them in warm water while thawing the chicken breast. You can also remove any remaining blood and fishy odor from the inside. Essential for preparing Kung Pao diced chicken: 50 grams of peanuts. Next, prepare the small ingredients. Slice an appropriate amount of ginger into ginger slices. Slice 2 cloves of garlic into garlic slices. Cut them and put them in the bowl. Clean and dice 1 fresh scallion. After cutting, mix them with ginger and garlic. This should be added into parts to enhance the fragrance. Next, prepare carrots and cucumbers as a combination, rich in color, texture, and nutrients. Dice the carrots. They should be about the same size as the peanuts. Cut the cucumber in half. Remove the cucumber seeds because they contain a lot of moisture. Cooking them will affect the texture of Kung Pao diced chicken. Then cut them into small cubes. Once diced, put them in the bowl. Next, prepare the crucial sauce. Put 30 grams of white sugar in a small bowl. Add a little salt. Also add 30 grams of vinegar to adjust the taste. Kung Pao chicken can be said to have a lychee flavor. The taste is sweet at first and then sour, so you can add a little more sugar. Of course, this taste can also be adjusted according to personal preference. Then add 5 grams of light soy sauce to enhance the flavor. Add a little dark soy sauce for color. You can add a little more cooking wine to remove the fishy smell and add aroma. Finally, add 15 grams of water starch and mix well with a spoon. This way, when you stir-fry, you won't be in a hurry, and the flavor will be more even. Next, wash the soaked chicken cubes a few times, and then remove and drain them. Squeeze out the excess water. This way, the chicken will absorb the marinade better. Then put it in a bowl and add a little salt. Add more cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Add half a spoon of pepper to enhance the flavor. Add a little dark soy sauce for color. Slowly stir in one direction with your hand. Until the color becomes bright yellow and there is no juice. The meat's surface becomes sticky. Achieving this effect, Then add an egg white. Enhances the tender texture of the chicken breast. Continue stirring slowly in one direction. Stir again until sticky. Add a little cornstarch and mix well. Locks in the moisture. The chicken breast marinated like this has a very tender texture when eaten, not dry at all. It's best to beat it a few times like this. It tastes even better. After mixing well, add a little salad oil. This prevents sticking during frying. After preparing the ingredients, let's start cooking. Heat the oil in the pan and fry the peanuts first. There's a trick to frying peanuts. You must add the peanuts to cold oil. Keep the heat low and fry slowly until done. Remember not to make them too big, otherwise the peanuts will burn before becoming fragrant. This step takes about 3 minutes. Fry until the peanuts give off a fragrant aroma. They should have a bright yellow color when scooped out. When you hear a crisp sound, it's enough. Then maintain medium heat. Add the marinated chicken cubes into the pot. It's better to keep your hands slightly away from the oil surface like this. Put them in the pot in a circular motion. This way, the chicken cubes will heat up evenly without sticking together. After adding them, let them sit for 5 seconds to set the shape. Then use a spoon to stir and ensure even heating. Shake them a bit with a sieve. This way, the chicken cubes will separate nicely. You don't have to worry about wasting the oil in this pot during home cooking. You can reuse it. Stir-fry the chicken cubes until they turn slightly white, about 15 seconds. Then add diced cucumber and carrot, and some of the diced scallions. Stir-fry for about 5 seconds and then remove them. Leave a small amount of oil in the pot. Kung Pao chicken has a spicy and numbing flavor, so Sichuan peppercorns and dried chili are essential. Add 10 grams of dried chili segments and 5 grams of dried red Sichuan peppercorns. Stir-fry over medium heat to release the spicy fragrance. Stir-fry until the chili changes color. Then add ginger and garlic. Stir-fry to release the aroma. Stir-fry until the ginger and garlic turn slightly yellow and the chili turns dark red. This way, the spicy flavor will be rich. Then add 10 grams of doubanjiang and stir-fry for color. Fry until fragrant. If you don't have doubanjiang, you can use pickled pepper sauce instead. The main purpose is to add a bright red color. Of course, in the traditional method, these two sauces are not used. Fry until the oil becomes red and shiny. Then add the dry-fried chicken cubes and stir-fry evenly. Once the chicken cubes are browned, pour in the pre-prepared sauce. Be sure to stir it before adding to the pan. This way, the flavor will be more evenly distributed. Pour the sauce into the pan in a circular motion. After adding the sauce, let it sit for 5 seconds to allow the starch to thicken. At this point, increase the heat slightly. Quickly stir-fry it evenly. Then add the remaining diced green onions and stir-fry evenly. Fry until fragrant. Turn up the heat and stir-fry quickly. Fry until aromatic. Fry until the oil is shiny. Finally, add the fried peanuts and stir-fry briefly. Turn off the heat and transfer to a serving dish. Wow, the color looks very appetizing. and the combination is particularly rich in texture. Especially for those who are concerned about weight and want to lose weight, this dish can be eaten frequently. Kung Pao Chicken is ready. It's mildly sweet, sour, and spicy, suitable for people of all ages. For more home-cooked dishes, please pay attention to and follow our food updates. If you like it, please remember to like, comment, and share, repost, and save for later. See you tomorrow.